Welcome everyone, and thank you for joining today. In this video, we will show you how to enable sleep mode on the Webtoon app. Sleep mode helps you manage your reading time by automatically pausing notifications during the hours you choose. First, open the Webtoon app on your device. Next, go to the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, tap the three dots at the top right. After that, click on Settings to enter the customization menu. In the Settings section, scroll down until you find the Sleep Mode option. Tap on Sleep Mode to enable it. Finally, choose the start and end time for when you want Sleep Mode to be active. Make sure to adjust the times according to your personal schedule so that notifications are paused at the right hours. Once you have set the times, Sleep Mode will automatically function based on the schedule you selected. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.